Namaskar, Adab, Shrikal, and a very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. This is your host, Swarandeep Singh, and I would like to welcome you all to Alumni Champion Talk Series. Uh, I can see visitors and our audience joining in. So quickly, let me know who is in the chat box. How are you all today? I can see visitors joining in. We can see Ankit Kumar. Good afternoon, Ankit. We have Shashank Mishra joining in. Shiva Goyal, Dheeraj Jaiswal. Thank you for joining in. Good afternoon, Shashank. We have Pawan Tripathi joining in. Yeah, I can see a lot of people joining in. On behalf of Shivalik College Dehradun, let me welcome you all to very first season of Alumni Champion Talk 2.0 and Alumni Relations Talk Series. This series is of approximately 30 minutes, and in this, like we will listen to alumni and their success stories, and then we will open the platform for all the attendees to they can write their questions in the comment box, and we will try to answer them. So, as you already know, we have a speaker for the day, Mr. Shubham Jain. He is BTech CEC graduate and working as a senior software engineer at Kelton Tech Solutions Limited. He started his journey as a software engineer trainee, and then he was promoted as software engineer, and now as a senior software engineer. So current technologies are React.js, Node.js, blockchain, Ethereum, NFT, Web3, Solidity, Ether, and subgraphs. So without any further delay, I would like to go ahead and welcome Shubham on the show. Hi, Shubham.
Hello, good afternoon, all. How are
Hi, good
you?
afternoon, Shubham. How are you?
I'm fine. I hope everyone is fine and having like a great time.
Yeah, definitely. They are. I think it's good to see you as well, Shubham. So a lot of audience has joined in, and I'm quite sure that they are also quite excited to hear from you.
Sure, sure. I am also
And I
like
think this is
excited.
this is going to be a quite excited and learning for all of them as we are talking about the very booming technology and the terminologies today.
Yes, yes. So, okay. Let's start with a simple question for first of all for everyone. Just comment down like yes or no, like why for yes and for no. That have you heard about the blockchain and NFTs? So that I can get the idea about like how the audience is like how much they know about the technology so that I can start according to that.
So, audience, if you know about blockchain, then press yes. And if you don't know about blockchain or you haven't heard about that, then you can simply press no in the comment box. We are waiting for your responses. We have Gurnal Haq. Good afternoon, sir. Aditya Kashyap is saying no.
Okay,
Pawan
so
Tripathi, yes.
little bit like yes, no, and come on, rest of the people.
Ankit Kumar,
Okay,
no. Yeah.
okay, so I can assume like most of you like a little bit or like no, so it's like a new topic to you. So,
Yeah.
okay, let me start with a simple slide. Okay,
So we are getting responses.
so
Yeah, we have Shiva
Okay.
Goyal saying no, no idea, sir. We have Sumit Kumar Arya saying no. So maximum of them have not heard about these things. Like they might have heard about blockchain, but they have no
Hmm.
idea exactly what it is. So we can start the session today, and you can proceed. Like, what is a blockchain? Blockchain.
So, okay, let's start with that. So, basically, a blockchain is a decentralized ledger of network. So, what do you mean by like decentralized? If I can give you the real time example, in your college, you have the ERP system where you mark the attendance and your teachers or lecturers marks your attendance. There is a centralized DB for that. So that is the single source of truth. For example, different students are there, and your personal details are also there. So these are only on one DB. So it only depends. So if that case, some case like it breaks, like that DB is down, or like the data is corrupted. So there are backups, but that is limited to that only. So that is not like you can like you have the copy, or I have the copy, or your professors have the copy. So that is the main thing. So decentralized is like everyone has the access. Like the best example you can say, if I make a Google Doc, you and if I share the link with you, so everybody will be able to access that and have the changes that I am making the changes. So that is like decentralized. And what is like ledger or nodes? I can say nodes you can consider as like me as a I am also a node, sir is also the node, you are also the node. There is That is a particular system, computer system that is working to resolve some hash. I would say this is a 256 bit number, and everybody is trying to resolve that. So these are master computers. Every node is working to resolve a 256 hash. So that helps you to like making it decentralized, not like centralized. So if anything breaks, like for example my computer breaks or my data corrupts, so it is not like you will also get the corrupted thing or that thing. So everything is decentralized, so not a single source of truth. So okay, so now comes the topic blockchain. So blockchain is a what is block? Block is a total of like uh, total of transactions. If you can say that there are particular set of transactions that are compiled in one block. So if I can show you in this, if you can have the reference to this screen. So that is, you can see the green, yellow and red block. Okay, so these green, red and these are simply a block. A block consists of particular a data, a hash and hash of previous block. So that is like data, you can say that your image, your name, or description about anything. So that hash is like 256 character string for now. And if I can show you, okay, I'll show you the hash also. And there is a hash of previous block. So if you understand like blockchain, so it is a chain. Okay, so that is the chain is like first block, second block, third block. So hash is like there is a particular hash that is associated with particular block. And the starting block has a hash that is starting with 000. Okay, then there is a new block that is containing of hash. So so it's also have the unique hash. And likewise third. So every block has is being containing the previous hash. So that they can make a chain. So that is like blockchain. Please comment if you are like getting any issue, or like should I like explain or on a better way. If you have like able to get it like little bit big, that is fine. Okay, so that is the blockchain. Now, the next question arises, like, what is the benefit of blockchain? So the real time example is, you can say, the real time example for you is, if you have seen the when you purchase a property, so there is a sale deed, like who is the owner of the property, what are the properties of that property, like how much length, breadth, and everything associated with that. So that is the unique thing, like for one property there will be one owner, unique owner. So that is not like for one property there are like 10, 15 owners. So in that way you can consider it as a, like, we can use that in the blockchain, we can use in the real time example. But right now we are not using that, but that is the concept, we can use that. So NFT, now from that topic, from the blockchain comes the NFT, that is non fungible tokens. There are also fungible tokens. So little bit a small difference is that fungible token you can consider as your currency notes. So if I am having 100 rupee note, you are having 100 rupee note, and I give to sir or anybody, its value will be 100, no matter, like my 100 rupee will not cost 101, and your 100 rupee note will cost 99. So those are like fungible tokens, that is, they are common, they doesn't have like any unique attribute with them. And NFT is non fungible token. So non fungible, you can say, it's a unique thing. Like I have created one image, so that image will be unique. If I can show you, for example, this is my image. So if that image, I want to like copyright for that, so like if anybody use that, I can claim the royalty. So I can register it on the blockchain as a NFT, and only the owner of that particular image will be getting the royalty. So the royalty is like, when you publish any book, so the book will be your uh, your book will be like, you get the royalty when every copy sell, like for 2%, 10%, it depends on the your like royalty fee. So that is also the same in the case of blockchain. So simply blockchain gives you some benefits of having your own property, your own ownership to a particular asset. And for, in terms of asset, I mean your paintings, your audio. Like if you can see, Amitabh Bachchan's voice is unique, so that is also an asset for him. So if he want to register, he can upload it as an NFT, so that nobody in future can claim, and he will get the royalty from that. So that is the benefit of using NFT. Let me show you a real time example of an NFT. 1 minute.
So Shubham, you are showing the example as well, but can you tell like how is it related to bitcoins? Like we have heard about bitcoins and NFTs and other things.
Hmm.
So how is it related to bitcoins?
So Bitcoin is the fungible token. So fungible token is like, if I am having one Bitcoin, you are having one Bitcoin, its value is will be like that, roughly that dollar, $60,000 or $50,000. That is not like unique thing. So NFT is like uniqueness. It represents the uniqueness of the particular data or any particular thing. So that's why it is more preferred. Like Bitcoin is like fungible token, and that is have a supply. It can considered as your currency, you can say that. But behind the scene, it is as a blockchain. There is no centralized, like there is RBI for us, which gives us like currency notes and everything. But in
Yeah.
blockchain, there is a total supply that is being minted, minted. You like, no, everyone will not get that. Minted is like publishing on the blockchain the data. So if I have published the Bitcoin on the blockchain, so these are registered, like these total supply will be like for example, 40,000 coins will only remain for Bitcoin. No other than that can create them. So I am the creator, so I will also get the royalty related to that. If I will show you this is the transaction related to particular NFT. So there is a like function that is called, like there is a language inside that, there is a function mint NFT. The language is called Solidity. It uses the Ethereum blockchain. So Ethereum blockchain is another blockchain that we are using. Like Solana is also there currently, if you have heard. And if anybody is trading in like cryptocurrencies, they might know the different blockchains also. So this is the like transactions. So if you see, there is a block associated with every transaction, and also the hash associated that I was talking about in the starting. So this is the thing that is used in the real time. That is the real time example that I am showing you. And every time there is a particular data that is associated with this NFTs. So if okay, I'll show you the real time NFTs also. 1 minute. I think OpenSea is visible to all. So this is the like this is the platform for NFTs marketplaces. You can say that using blockchain, we are publishing NFTs. So I can find anything here, like art, collectibles, music related to music, anything. So if you see, this is the like collection name. Like if you are okay, I am showing, there are 5 items. These are 5 NFTs associated with that. So NFT is like this image. You must have heard regularly on the like platforms, like people are earning lakhs from selling NFTs, from thousands. So this is the thing that is the people are doing. It represents a uniqueness. If you see, you will not find this image anywhere else. And if anybody use that, so he can claim that this is my image because I have minted that on blockchain, and on the blockchain no transaction can be reverted. So that is the main thing. If you see, there are transactions. So those transactions will be, if I am selling to you and you are selling to third person, but I am the owner of that, so I am getting a particular fee every time that is being sold to any particular person. And that fee can be variable, like 2%, 10%, and that is in Ethereum. So if you are like must be excited, like what is the Ethereum? So Ethereum is like Bitcoin. It's a particular currency, and its value is around 2 to 2.5 lakhs, changes every time. So it is like in if I'll convert from the dollar, it is around like 2 to 2.5 lakhs. So if you are getting any 10% of that, like so that is the huge amount, 25,000 and 10,000 and every sell. So that is the thing. The NFT is being like promoted, or you can say everywhere everybody is trying to use them, so that they can have the copyright, also earn the money, and also have the royalty and everything. So that will help everyone. Now any like queries from anybody, like short?
So, do we have any questions till now? Like we have discussed about blockchains and NFTs. So, is there any question related to that? Meanwhile, Shubham, like, is it related to something deep web or dark web, something like that, like mining and other things?
Dark web is actually, we cannot like directly use that, like directly promote that, or you can say that it is like hidden thing. So but NFTs is like if you are doing any, like if you're sending money to me, like for example you are sending any like black money to me, like 10,000, 20,000, but you somebody wants to see. So it gives the, like if I am having your wallet address or anything like account address, you can say wallet address, that is you can use as I can, like anybody can see using that wallet address what's your balance, what were the transactions in your account, and how many transactions you get and you have like sent. So that is like it gives a clear view, clear picture. So it also helps to detect the this black money, I would say. So but that is depends on like government and every like our policymakers, but that is the concept. Is it is like everything is on the web, so on the blockchain, so nobody can revert anything. So if you have sent me 10,000, so and you try to like you want to change that 10,000 like to 1 rupee, so you have to change every block in that blockchain. So that is the very hectic task, and like we need a very super computer for that. So that may cause the issue. So the benefit of this is like that.
And how is this blockchain changing money and the business as well?
Okay. So like businesses, I can say, if you are publishing, like I am a like particular person, like I create digital art, like images and like paintings. So I can publish on behalf of you as a NFT, and if and you will get the royalty. I will get the my fee like for publishing, and that is depends on me, and you will get the royalty for that. So for example, I'll send this Mr. Matt K. Bird this artwork. So if I sell it and you sell it to third person, every time I will get the money. I don't have to do anything. So that is also keeping the business alive for the people, and also like providing platform to like new generation.
All right. So we have a question as well. Mr. Kulkarni is asking, like, uh, what is the legal basis of NFT and how can I start NFT business?
Okay, NFT business. So if I can, yeah, as the time is not much, but
Yeah,
if you see this OpenSea, I'll just okay. Could you post that the OpenSea.io in this comment,
yeah,
sir?
definitely.
So that is the site you can explore, and this is like the main net, like you have to get the real money for publishing on Ethereum network, but in Polygon you can do that, and there is an option in that you can publish. But that NFT, I have said that it is a business, like getting the things, but you have to get the customers also for that. So that is the, like for this artwork, it's not like everyone likes it. For example, I am the person who likes this, so I will pay you this amount, like 0.05 Ethereum. So that is not the issue, but to get the customer attracted, that should be unique. Your NFT, like if you search for the apes, there is a NFT called apes that is the most popular, and they are getting a lot sum of money. So that is the different thing, like business is the different thing, but you have to be unique. If you see, the floor price is 93.9 Ethereum. This sign is for Ethereum. If you get this ETH, so this is the Ethereum. So if you see, that is 93.9 into 2 to 2.5 lakhs. So you can imagine how much they have made through the transaction of this, and this is only the sell. And if they are the sellers also selling to someone, they must have also got the money. So that is volume traded. So that is the lot much of money in India. I would say this is not as much like popular, but in US, UK markets and everywhere you can see this. And like this OpenSea, we have also developed one product for our company, and but I cannot like show you because of the privacy reasons. But that is similar to marketplace. These are called marketplaces, where you can buy, sell the stuff. You can create the account, and there is, if you can see the top most right corner, I am like like if you see, this is the wallet. So wallet is the thing, like where you kept the actual Ethereum, or like your actual currency, which can be used for these transactions. Like if you see, there is not much like in this apes, but but these are like the unique for some people. Like if they like it, they can give you like if you see the price, okay, this is like the somebody will get the like heartbreak, like 95.75 ETH.
Yeah.
And if you convert that in like rupees, you will get mad. But it's not like you if you publish the same thing and you will get the same. If you see, there are like popular, this is very popular collection, board app yacht club. So that is the very popular one. So if you see, 6.3K owners are there. So like if you want to start, you can start easily. It's not a big deal. Without without spending us like single penny, you can publish your NFT on OpenSea. Just you have to publish using your Polygon, not Ethereum. If you publish using Ethereum, you have to pay the gas fee. I will not be explaining the gas fee because it's another technical term, and you might say it's like going out of the box. So that is the thing. But you can explore this, no issues in that, and you will get everything on like YouTube and everything. How to publish an NFT on this OpenSea? There is a like cakewalk for submitting a form simply. But I would suggest, if you want to explore this topic, go in deep, like from the basic then to advance. Not like, yeah, I want to create the business of NFT. That is not the, that should not be your main task. If you know about the blockchain and you develop anything new, so you might earn more than that, because that is the thing.
All right. So starting from here, like if I ask about how to opt blockchain as a career, or if students, or we have students as well joining in, so
Mhm.
if they want to do to opt blockchain as a career, so how they can opt it?
So as a career, there are like different ways from basic to advanced. Like there is a solidity language that is associated with that. So for publishing any NFT, there is a piece of code that is used to publish that NFT on the blockchain. So solidity is the same thing. It's like you can consider it as a JavaScript language, but it is not JavaScript. I'm just giving you example. So it is a JavaScript similar to JavaScript. You have written particular piece of code, and in that you have to write a particular particular, you have to give a particular transaction to that. So that is the thing. If I can give you one example for that, I have shown you the Rinkibi transactions. Okay, let me show you again. 1 minute. So if you are able to, this is the, this is the actual one NFT is minted on the testnet. So testnet is like testing network,
Okay.
and the OpenSea that I have shown to you, that is the main network. That is where where you need the actual money for this. So this is the like my NFT is my contract name, token ID is associated with the NFT. So if you want to this, like to publish this on this network, you have to write a piece of code in the Solidity that supports the Ethereum blockchain. So when you publish that, you will get a particular URL. This is the URL of your actual NFT. If I'll like open this URL, the actual image of this NFT will be open.
Okay.
So so now this data I cannot change anywhere. That is the thing. So like if you want to build a career in that domain, I would suggest you should first learn what is Ethereum, what is how Ethereum works, and what is then solidity. And if you are able to get the solidity, then there are many openings. I'm not saying like in India only, but in US many people are wanting people to write the smart contracts that I have mm, asking you to just open this. If you see, this is the smart contract, this is the contact address. So if you write that in solidity, so you will get the smart contract. And this is the test net. So it is not published on this. So whenever you have to publish that in on like main network, like for everybody, you have to verify and then submit the smart contract. So that is the you can go for your career.
So Solidity is one language, and from where the student can opt blockchain as a career.
Mhm.
And what
Yes,
are the
yes.
prerequisites? Like the student should have the knowledge of like Node.js or something other than that.
So I would suggest like if you have the basic understanding of JS or any language, like the syntax, uh, what are loops? Loops are like major. Like if you how to define a variable, a function, what are parameters, arguments, what are return type, private, public, access modifiers. That's it. You can start coding. There is a software called Remix that is used, that is, you don't have to high end machines for that. You just, there is a web compiler, I would say, Remix IDE, and in that you can write the solidity code, compile it, publish that on the test network, and you can check actually what you have done. So sir, if you can write that Remix in the
Right.
chat.
Remix, right?
Yes, Remix, it's an IDE. So if anybody wants
Is
to
there any
start there.
particular URL for this or what?
Okay, let me give you. Remix.ethereum.org. I think I am not able to post it
Yeah,
inside that.
yeah, I've displayed that on the
That
screen.
is fine. Yes, yes, yes. That is okay. So you can start, and I would suggest that you should start learning. You can give like half an hour to 1 hour. If you start now, I would strongly recommend that this is the future. And if you work for the future, your present will be good.
That's great saying. Like if you work for your future, your present will be good. And Shubham, like apart this blockchain and NFTs, so how is your journey so far? Like from college to
Mhm.
industries, and then like how is your journey so far?
So I would say the first year of my career as a software engineer, that was the task, I would say. That was the challenge for the any newcomer. So you have to adopt everything, how to work on the live projects, how to handle the project, how to handle the clients. The main thing is the client. Your that is the main thing. If your client is happy, everyone is happy. So the thing is everybody works for a particular task product. So that is the in which you have to work. Some challenges, if you see in regular your life, you might have yeah, I have to print the pattern of star. But in real time now, you will not get these type of problem. You will get how I have transferred some money to sir, but it is not reflecting. How I will resolve that? How will I will get that data to verify that I have transferred the money to him? And if that transaction is failed, how I have to log that transaction failed? So those are the real life challenges.
Right. And so college life, musty and all. So what is the nostalgic part of your college life? Like you want to share with the students?
So basically nostalgic, I would say, we do everything. In college life, we have done everything, like bunk classes and skip the lecture, everything. like get in the first lecture and then coming in the last lecture just for the attendance and everything. So I would say like enjoy your college life, side by side do whatever you love, like you like biking, you like adventure trips, everything, whatever you want, but also focus on your like particular career path, like what you want to do. For example, not everybody wants to go in coding, so okay, fine, no issues in that, nobody like forcing you to coding. But if you have opted for B Tech or like engineering, so you can go for like analyst, you can go for like QA, and that is like, but I would say like you should enjoy your college life, that is the main thing, and also work on your career also, because that time will never come. Because after like working like after finishing your college and you will be not be getting job, or like I would not say that word, like you will feel like, yeah, what I have done, like, so that feeling shouldn't come. At least try everything so that you can like move on, and if you get the like your job and everything, then that will be like your, then you can go on. That is the thing, that is not like any obstacle will stop you. Just you have to work hard, work smarter and work hard, just adopt the things, and you can get. And I think college will help you till your fourth year, but after that you have to build yourself only. So it depends on you only to how you can nurture yourself.
And is there any incidents you want to share with us or with the viewers? Like,
So like I think a new canteen has been built, so there beside that there is a like sitting area. So once our like there was our lecturer Govind sir, he was like giving our extra giving his extra time and giving like to complete the notes. So we skipped that lecture, and to hide him out, we we directly like, if you can see, in the sleeping position in that, so that nobody recognizes us. So we put the like our like coats and everything, and that was the like funny part, I can say. And he was not able to like find us out, and the next day we get scolded for that also, that if the gate is closed, how we are able to skip that. So that was the thing.
and is there any message you would like to give to the students who are like pursuing the BTech courses or any other courses and then want to uh, build their career in blockchain or anything? Any message you want to give to the students?
So I would say like you should like do everything. Like it's not like you should only study like only coding. I would say give time to everything in your life, like your family, your friends, your trips, your food, everything. If you like fooding, anything, but there should be a proper balance between them. Like it should not be like, if I am going for 2 days trip, then after coming that I will also remembering that memories only. I should like now work. I have like consumed 2 days in my like favorite hobby. Now I have to do my like the pending stuff, like my studies or aptitude or like anything that you love. So there should be a balance in life. It's not like you can do like, if you are like doing like roaming around and you want like, yeah, I am not getting a job, so how job will come to you if you are not working hard for that? So that is the thing, like you have to work for that to get that.
Definitely. Yeah. So, is there any question, viewers? Like, if there is any question, you can just comment in the comment box and we will try to answer that.
Sure.
I think we don't have any other question now. Thank you, Shubham. Thank you for such a insightful session, and I'm quite sure our audience got understanding about blockchain and NFTs. And
Hmm.
yeah, thank you so much for joining, Shubham.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Bye bye.
Thank you so much for being such a lovely audience for joining the session. And next Saturday, same time, we will be coming up with another exciting topic. Till then, stay tuned.